Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I'm Lorraine and I am so excited because it is paper pumpkin time. This month's Haunts and Harvest kit for September 2021 arrived yesterday and I am thrilled to bits. So when we open the box, the first thing you'll notice is that there are lines and numbers on the inside of the box, and that is because you can download the instructions to turn the box into a little wheelbarrow to hold all of your little treat boxes. So what we have in the kit is full color instructions to make the 3 different goodie boxes. So on the back tells us that it contains supplies for 12 treat boxes. The coordinating colors are basic black, pale papaya, poppy parade, pumpkin pie, and soft succulent. It also shows you some ideas that you can do outside the box with elements from the kit. So let's go ahead and get into the kit. So we have a stamp set in the kit, and I'm just going to grab a piece of cardstock so that you can see it. We've got different leaves, we've got the veins for the leaves, and we've got some sayings, and the sayings are thank you, and happy Halloween, you're a blessing, and then the other one says I'd pick you every time, and hey there pumpkin. So, and there's also a little shadow stamp so that you can create shadows underneath your stamped images to give them a bit more of a 3D effect. We have a soft succulent Stampin' Spot. We have some raffia sticks, and we have our tags that we can just punch out. And here's the first set of 4 die cuts that we can fold into the treat boxes. And these stickers, these black stickers here, are for these ones with the wheels on are for using to stick your wheelbarrow together. So you've got long stickers to put the long sides together, some wheels to decorate the wheel cutouts. And we have some Halloween pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern eyes and mouths so that we can decorate our treat boxes. You can see here that there are some jack-o'-lantern faces on those treat boxes. And here is the pale papaya. And we have some die-cut leaves in the soft succulent. So we could use the leaves that are in here, and then we use the veins to stamp dimension into the leaves. And we have some sticky strips, and those are going to be to put our give our little treat boxes together. And here is our pumpkin pie gift boxes and some adhesive dots to put everything together. So when we look at the contents of the kit, the only thing that really you look at it doesn't seem to make sense, but if you look at the examples, you twist these up to make the vines on the pumpkins, and they also help hold it together. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned. I'm going to do, in the next video, I'm going to actually make up one each of the boxes so that you can see how they all go together. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.